Then I see you go to Google Play or the App Store. Any student goes to Google Play or the App Store, clicks on the store, and searches for Nearpod. They just type in Nearpod and start downloading it. Since it's already downloaded on my device, it will download directly to my device. So I'll just go ahead and click on it, and there it is, Nearpod. The student goes to the app. They don't need register or anything. All they need from the teacher is the code during the lecture or have it provided on the student clicks on it like this. Okay, so what does it ask for? It asks him, please, I need the code. Of course, I will copy the code from here. From you guys here, of course, I had given you the code earlier. I'm going to copy it as a student. So I'll go in as a student and start pasting it here, okay? I'll copy it from WhatsApp and then paste it into Nearpod. Now I'll say, all right, I'm in as a student. It shows me and it says, please enter your name. So the student who logged in needs to enter their name. For example, I'll write Sammy and then I'll put my nickname, Safan, okay? And I'll say, all right, let's go. And it starts working. Is that clear, doctor? I logged in from my mobile. This is my mobile. I tell him, all right, I've logged in as a student. I go in and it shows me and it says, please enter your name. So I'll write, for example, Sami. And then I'll put my nickname, Safan, okay? And I say, all right, let's go. And it starts working. Is that clear, doctor? I logged in from my mobile. This is my mobile, okay? And you guys can log in anytime. Is that clear, doctor? I logged in from my mobile. This is my mobile, okay? And you guys can enter the time. I hope you all log in now. Why? So you can see the report that shows the teacher and how the grades appear to the teacher. I log into my mobile device and start selecting options. I have the entire group available, including RAM and ROM. I choose one, for instance, the ROM, and then the RAM. After making my selections, I proceed to the next step. This is the ROM, and here it is. I have selected this RAM, for example, and it appears like this. I will proceed to demonstrate the next steps in the process. The ROM is crucial for storing the firmware, which is essential for the basic functions of the device. Meanwhile, the RAM is used for temporary data storage, allowing for quick access and processing. As I move forward, I will show you how these components interact within the system, ensuring efficient performance and reliability. We're all moving to one mountain, and we're all running together like this. I don't want to waste your time, because this is at a higher level than this. So I choose my character, all right? And I start entering my character and begin to answer the question. It's the exact same process, doctor. Just a moment, dear. Then I choose the healer option, and then so it starts giving me my ranking and everything. So, pay attention here. In the first case, the first person had a complete record, and the second person also had a complete record, and so on. It continues like this, and it shows up. Once the instructor comes back, we can refer to the institution, and we will find something called the report. The report. And here the report clarifies everything, a complete report on exactly what happened in this lesson. When I log in, I enter my name to see the report. It asks, what do you want? A report on whom? Which course? I choose Unit 1. So it starts to show me exactly how many students entered. Here, if we look at this test, it's a practice test and you can see the details. I won't waste your time here. Let's start. And with God's blessing, it's clear. A student logs in, it's straightforward. Now let's move to the resistance training platform. I got the code after entering the site and logged in. The training appeared and I completed it under my name. It shows my points, level, everything in my report. Here, if we look at this test, you can see the details. I don't want to waste your time on this part. Let's get started. A student logs in. Now, let's move on to the resistance training platform. I entered the site and logged in. The training appeared and I completed it. It shows my points, level, and report. Discussing this platform could take a whole day, as I haven't covered content design or activities. We aim for a higher level. Let's explore this platform. Press 1.
Let's get started. I got the code and logged in. I completed the training. It shows up for me. It shows my points, level, and report. Discussing this platform would take a day. I haven't touched on design or activities. I've only covered games. That's not our level. We want higher. Let's dive into this platform. Everything is ready. This is the real course. Press 1, focus, and don't worry. The info is extensive.
But I have to say, If I were to sit here and talk about this platform, it would take a whole day. Because I haven't even touched on content design or activities. I've only covered the game section. But of course, that's not the level we want. We want a higher level than that. Let's look at the higher level and dive into this platform. Everything is ready, everyone. This is the start of the real course. Everything is set. Press 1 and focus with me. And don't worry because the information is really extensive on this platform. Let's move on to the higher platform now, which is the Telenet. So focus with me. The lecture is recorded and don't worry because the information is really extensive, this platform. Let's move on to the top platform, which is Telenet. Let's go into it and start with the first one. I want to click Get Started now. Okay, you click on Get Started. If you're entering for the first time, okay, you put it here. Here, I'm teaching you to put your name here or put your email correctly. Full name, username, and password, and don't forget the password. If you're logging in for the first time and want to register and have your own space, this platform is free. Now I see the Nerbode, thank God. You build a lot of courses in it and do a lot of work in it. Is this platform like Nerbode? No, this platform is a bit more limited, but the advantage is that you can try it for a whole month. If you try it for a whole month, it's great. You can take it in stages, for example. There is something precisely for $5. There is something precisely for example, a month. There are things for example, $12. There are things. So if you like the platform like this, the important thing is to register on this platform this way. I'm not registering because I don't want to waste your time with the registration. I have an account, so this is the way. You enter Get Started and start registering to create a free account on the platform for a month. I just don't want to waste your time, so I'll go straight to the login. And anyone who finds the keys with me, this is my account. So I'm going to go straight in and log in. Focus with me so you can see the creativity. Honestly, it's a big deal that you're not sitting on Blackboard. Now, I mean, right now you can really feel a big difference. This is complete learning management system. So of course, it gives you 4 things at the beginning to help you get started. He's telling you, honestly, if you want to jump right in and create a course, okay, next to write and create a course, okay, and here, I'm telling you, if you want to learn on this platform, I'll teach you, no problem. If you want to use high-level permissions, like an administrator, that's fine. Now, if you want to start creating a course or work, just click here, okay. And here, customize your account. Here, if you want to create your course right away, and here, if you want to change the settings, the language, the title, and all that. If you want to change the color, the language, and all that, the first button is labeled Jump Right, Add, Create Course. Want to create a course right away? Click on D. The rest of these are all for assistance. They change your settings, colors, and language. If you want Arabic or a foreign language, if you want your interface in Arabic, just click on it like this. I want the interface in Arabic. I chose it like this for my interface because you have other languages available. You have other languages if you want to use English, Hebrew, French, all the languages are available. Spanish, all the languages are there. Arabic, Persian, all the languages are available. All the languages are available. Arabic, Persian, all the languages are available. So I'm choosing Arabic. If you want to change the appearance of this text, this is related to the design of the page and its colors. What does your page look like? This is specifically for education. And it's for if you want to access higher permissions. But I want to create a course. That's what I want to calm down.